Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back for the AAA birthday cards. It's February and there's a new challenge. And here's the card that I made. The challenge is use a stencil. And I'm using the Create a Smile bubble circles. At first I used the other one, didn't like it. That was Dutch Doobadoo, I believe. But somehow there was too much color and it got all brown in the middle, didn't like it. So I'm just applying distress inks in my favorite rainbow colors, and it was Wilted Violet, Mermaid Lagoon, Twisted Citron, Picked Raspberry, Candied Apple, Mustard Seed. And you'll see that I am trying to blend them where they go together well, and then end up with green and red there on the accord. I thought that's not good, so I'm going over it with some more yellow here. Yeah, if I put red there now or orange, then we'll get brown. So more yellow, it's fine. And then oh yeah, I forgot, carved pumpkin. Not a lot because I'm running out of colors, and that was so juicy. Can I still see it? Let me see. No, it evened out pretty well. It just looks very dark. Then I'm trying to blend out where I think it needs a bit more. But it's a background. And I'm using an image from Your Next Stamp. And I don't know if it's still available, but there's others across the industry. That is a chameleon. And I thought I still had it stamped and cut, but I didn't, so I'm restamping it on Copic paper actually, but with Versamagic, because I didn't intend to color it. I could have used the cheap paper, but I don't know why I did that. See, bubble circle, Create a Smile is very nice. But yeah, in the end it's about use a stash and use a stencil. So you have all month to play along, of course, as usual. And the link to the blog is down below, so is the blog, my blog post link as well. And as long as it's a birthday card, yeah, it's all good. In the set there's a sentiment that says have a colorful birthday, which I thought was funny because I'm making him white. And a chameleon should have many colors, right? But I think there's plenty on the card, and for a moment I contemplated to ink blend him in the same colors I'm going to put him on, but I thought that was too much and you don't see him anymore. And there's another sentiment in the set that says don't ever change, which I think is also funny for a white chameleon, and I think I've used that before. But otherwise, you know, you can even leave out the chameleon, just use have a colorful birthday and that ink blend the background. Why not? And I wanted Versamagic just because it, you know, leaves a better impression. But I don't think I inked it up properly. There, and the cheek is still. So I'm inking it up a little bit more. And then instead of pulling out this skin and cut, I just cut it by hand. It's probably a mistake. And I thought the orange band is nice, well, but I left a white border there, and doing it by hand, yeah, well, that wasn't my favorite. So I cut most of it out and I sped it up quite a lot, and just showing you how I fuzzy cut with my big scissors actually is better than my small ones. But then I didn't like it, so I'm using the other one that says peace dude, and I think there's also, yeah, a sentiment that says peace dude. And in the sentiment, or sorry, in the stamp set, there's also might be spit. Chameleons, you know, they do that with their tongue to catch a bug or something. But it might also be ink spot, and Create a Smile has a very nice ink spot stencil as well. So I like it. It's very dainty where the arm is. That's kind of why I wanted to use the other one. Yeah. But yeah, see how the dark it is in the middle there. It's all muddy. Didn't like it. Also didn't like the shape that much in the end. So bubble circles. And well, anyway, I hope you will play along. You have a whole month to do so, and as long as it's a birthday card and you use a stencil or more than one, that's fine too. Then we love to see what you make. And as I say, links down below if you want to play along. So, mounting it with foam tape, that kinda all my card entails. Not much more to it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Until then, bye!